have the right talent across. Inspiration is sharing the passion for doing something that matters. I see a lot of people getting stressed, right? In many places in the industry, across industries for that matter. But let me tell you this. Stress happens when you're doing something you don't like to do. When you're doing something you like doing, it's called passion. It can never be stressful, right? So stress is something you put upon yourself. Your boss can never stress you. You stress yourself out because you're doing something you don't like to do. If you're doing something that you like so much, it's called passion. You'll never be stressed with it. See? So very important that you become that inspiration. A leader gets his people from where they are to where they have never been. And there are must-dos in terms of growth. You have to have horizontal growth. That means growing your numbers. Vertical growth, increasing the level of your quality and productivity. And personal growth, your own quest for staying ahead of everyone else. If people grow, the quality of the business grows, and your numbers grow, you can never be held back. Why exponential growth? Di ba nobility ito eh? Alam nyo, dapat naniniwala kayo yung negosyo nyo is a chance to serve others. If you get to business just to be profitable, it can probably answer your material needs, but it will never be sustainable. Sustainable business happens when deep inside your heart you know that you're being of service to others. If you're doing whatever it takes to be somebody in this world who will leave a legacy, who will leave a mark, who will change people's lives and improve them. Ako sinasabi ko sa inyo lagi, we can never have a very prosperous Philippines if people and families are not prosperous. We can only have a prosperous country if we have less poor people, if more and more people become prosperous. And that is the nobility of the job. And that's the reason why when people in the office say, "Oh, sir, di ba kayo happy? 30% growth na tayo." We don't have an online platform. Ramper has about 26,000 clients today. 26,000 clients. So minsan proud na yung mga kasama ko sa opisina. Nasasabihin ko sa kanila, alam niyo ba kung ilan ang population ng Pilipinas? 100 million. So ilan na tayo? 26,000. Ang liit natin. Di ba? Ang liit natin. So we have to grow those numbers because this is the power of nobility. We're doing something noble. And if we cannot increase the 26 to 27 to 50 to 100, we're not doing great service. We're not doing great service. Every Filipino has to be an investor. Important points to remember. Let me rattle this off. Nothing can replace hard work. Some people get lucky, fine. But hard work is sustainable. Staying with the basics, staying with the fundamentals. Watch your cash flow, network capital, and credit reputation. Money is easy to come by if you have a very good reputation. You know, alam nyo, natutuwa ako kay RSA. Kasi siya yung isang personality na hindi ginamit ni Kasi ginamit na personalities ni Paolo kanina. Those are the who's who, the Taipans, right? One of the guys who are not there, up and coming pa lang siguro, is RSA of San Miguel, right? And sometimes we sit down and we talk to each other. And I sometimes get amazed. Sinasabi niya, you know what, Rex? If I have a business idea and I need to bankroll it with capital, okay, I can raise 8 billion in 3 hours. Can you imagine kung may idea siya, kaya niya mag-raise ng 8 billion in 3 hours? Okay? So may tatawagan lang siyang 12 tao, pag nag-invest ang 5 doon, kaya niyang mag-raise ng 8 billion. Can you just imagine if you have that kind of access to capital, right? Sky's the limit, right? If you have access to capital. But you only do that if you have the credit reputation, if you have the network capital. Again, off the record, di naman nila pinapatay. Alam na natin, di ba, nung time na, I mean, I don't think it's a secret anyway, right? When the Marcoses fled the country Danding Kuhangko fled the country. Diba? There were a lot of dummies, right? There were a lot of shares distributed to some people who stayed here, right? It's common knowledge that many of them did not return the money, the land, the businesses. Hindi na sinole, inangkin na. Dahil hindi mo na rin pwedeng bawiin eh. Kung si Marcos ka, pabawiin mo. Di ba? Your word against mine now, di ba? Usapan, wala kang pera, right? O ano, binabawi mo. Di ba? So may mga hindi nagsole. Ramona, up to the last centavo, sinoli niya kita. Up to the last centavo. So when Danding decided to part his ownerships with San Miguel, he gave more shares to Ramon Hang than his children. Trust, loyalty, integrity. Very important. Credit reputation. Continuous learning and preparation, relationship-based leadership, and continuous learning. Again, break away from the crowd. You have to have a unique selling proposition. That's why I like that. You know, it's very unique. It's hard to come by. Connect with your interests and what you believe in. Be resilient, persevere. Again, self-discipline. That's the reason why I don't want my children to be part of my business yet. I want them to be outside. I want them to get the discipline. Kasi kung yan, spoiled brat agad, hindi yan papasok na maaga dahil sa'yo ng trabaho, di ba? It's so hard to instill that once they get older. Harness the power of your team if you can. Pay them like partners and invest in growth. Ako natatandaan ko, 3 tao lang kami when I started Brantford. I'll tell you, projectors like this, cause an arm and a leg. In all my pride, I can say, nauna pa ako nagka-projector na ganyan kaysa sa Film Life. In the 1990s, Film Life used overhead acetates. Right? Pag medyo nagtitipid, yung galing pa sa medical na may baga na binubura ng acetone. Di ba? Ganun yun eh. Tapos susulatan ng pentel, yun ang acetate. Right? I came back from the US, I brought one of the in-focus projectors. At that time, it costs like a car. Okay, and I won't forget, $9,110. Yun ang presyo ng overhead projector. So pagdating ko dito, ako lang ang trainer, seller na may projector. So obviously, sinaksak ko din naman sa presyo ko yun, di ba? Kasi ako lang yung may projector, so ako yung nakakapag-animate. Ako lang yung nakakapag-gamit ng PowerPoint at that time. So I was able to generate enough business to cover for the cost. But invest and grow. Alam nyo, ganun na. Some of you might even be agents for insurance companies. We're in AIA, so obviously some of you are. Pero laging sinasama ng loob ko pag minsan, kahit sa agent na ganyan, you have to invest, ha? Invest back into yourself, into your business. Minsan, tayo, naghihintay tayo for the company to invest in us. Wrong. Invest on your own. Ang problema, pag hindi ka nag-invest, wala kang talo, di ba? Pag wala kang talo, wala kang binabawing cost. Pag wala kang binabawing cost, hindi ka masyadong fired up. Ibang-iba yung pwedeng malugi. Di ba? Makikita nyo yung mga ahente sa Manila, di ba? Ballpen giveaway, folder giveaway, pag giveaway. Ano malulugi itong giveaway lang? Pag bumili ng insurance plan yung binibentahan, mukhang giveaway din. Di ba? Minimum premium. Di ba? We have to invest. Make sure that we run a business. See, most important of all, you anchor everything on what truly matters. This is life. And business is just a portion of it. You're only going to be doing this once, and that's the reason why you have to be grounded on the right stuff. Right? You have to know why you do it. And your big why anchors you, and anchors you well. Alam niyo, walang halong biro, ha? Bibigta ako dito ni Raymond. Answer is yes. In fact, only recently did I find out he's going to pay for my airplane bill and my hotel. I didn't even ask that when I said yes. Right? So I want to do this. I'm passionate in doing this. And if people pay me, great. If they don't, fine. Ang hirap kumuha ng ganyan karami pag makikinig sa'yo, ha? Di ba? Dito, nakinig kayo. Walang tumayo. Right? See, when you're passionate about what you do, you don't have to run for the money. Money will run after you. If I'm doing this for HSBC and Citibank on a preferred or a private banking event of probably a crowd half this size. I charge 250,000 per hour. Per hour. Nagising ako ng alas 3, pumunta ako sa airport ng alas 4, pumunta ako dito sa Singapore. Alam ko, makakausap ko kayo. It was very exciting. Right? Tapos, ang gravy doon, napakinggan ko pa yung mga speakers na nagsalita. Eh, hindi ako nagbayad. Libre ko. Diba? Natutunan ko yung mga shinare din nila sa inyo. Again, guys, we have a very blessed country. Unfortunately, we don't claim those blessings. We just let it go. Ang importante po ngayon, this run, 10 years, this new decade, let us all embrace those blessings and make them count. For our country to be prosperous, all of us need to be. Thank you so much. Good evening.